everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Luzia app. You click on settings like this. Then we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will scrolling down until you find Luzia app and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by liking.